Hello friends, in this lecture we will see sequential drilling, and sequential drilling we use if there is a gap in between the coaxial hole. So we can find this from this create operation, and here it is sequential drilling. So sequential drilling we can done where the coaxial hole are there. So we use drilling cycle that includes additional feed which control the crossover. This is a crossover gap. We can control our feed on first cut, at last cut, between the this crossover gap, and at different level, at different steps, we can control our feed. So first, I'm going to create a hole. So my hole is this my tool. So go to tool, and my tool is standard drill, right? And this is 26 diameter tool. Okay, and length is a little bit less, no problem, I'm going to use this one. Okay, workpiece and method is drilling method. Okay, by default you can see the motion output is single move. Motion output is single move. So we have already discussed this machine cycle and single move, and this interrupted cycle we create with single move only. So go to this option, and here in first cut, suppose I want some distance in first cut and last cut, so we can add like 10 in first cut and 10 mm in last cut. So for first cut the value is 10 mm, and the last cut for 10 mm for last cut. Okay, and from the strategy, go to this strategy, and here my offset is 3 from the top. From top, see this gap is 3, and bottom is also 3 or 2.5, no problem. And dual, if you want to add dual for 3 revolution, first cut and the last cut we have already given. And crossover distance is the gap between these two holes. If it is greater than tool diameter, 100% of tool diameter, is it is more than 26, that time this value will count as crossover. So let's generate, and do one thing, go to feed and speed. So I'm going to add some feed. So my feed is 200, and this is cut feed rate. And from the more first cut, I'm using 50% of this 200, and the last cut I'm using 50% of 200. And crossover, I'm going to add cut value for a crossover 200. Okay, 200% of this 200 is 400 mm per meter. Okay, so generate it, and let's see. And my feature is not selected, so feature is not defined. So I'm going to main and select feature geometry, and this is my feature geometry. Okay, 26 is the diameter, and the depth, let's click okay. Now generate. Okay, now go to this verification, and this use display and step. Feed is 0, 100 feet, 50% of cutting feed at first cut. So this cut is 10 mm, and feed rate is half of cut. Next step, 200, which is my cutting feed. Last cut and crossover, 200% means 400 is the feed. Again 100, 200. Now last cut 100 and crossover 400. Now again first cut cutting, last cut, and this retract. Feed rate is 0. So we can control our feed rate at all the steps. Click it OK. And if you want to see this verification, we can verify from here for 3D verification. Sorry, 3D I think it is not available because the part is not properly defined, workpiece is not defined. I click OK.